broken.
Hello, Namaste. I am Homnath Adhikari. Welcome to my YouTube channel Infotech. Today I am going to show you how to repair, replace black screen and lining display and full disassembly of Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. Please watch till the end. In this video, we are just going to replace the cracked screen. In another video, I'll show you how to repair cracked touch screen. First of all, we have to heat our Samsung Galaxy S7 for few minutes up to 100 degrees centigrade because the display and back panel is attached by the glue. Now carefully remove the back panel of Samsung Galaxy S7. Below back panel there is a network flex, so be careful about it. Here is flex attached with back panel, so be careful about this flex. Remove all screw. Remove the network flex. The display is attached with a board and housing by glue, so we have to cut it. You have to use sharp plastic flex or cutting blade, but be careful while using these tools. under the display there is home button flex, so be careful about this flex. First of all, you have to disconnect this flex from motherboard and pull the flex out from the housing with display, because the flex is attached with display from one point. If you try to pull the display forcefully, then it might damage the home button flex. There is also back key sensor flex and navigator key sensor flex, so be careful about them also. These flex are attached with housing and connected with board. Pull out the home key with its flex from display. Here we disassembled all parts of Samsung Galaxy S7. This one is board. We already separate display, back panel, battery connector, home key, sensor flex, etc. Now we are trying to disassemble all remaining parts. This is the frame where we have to attach another display, so be careful about this frame. This frame must be accurate with the display shape, so clean this part. Properly fit the home button. You can also apply little bit glue around this edge where the display is going to be fitted. Please be careful while fitting this display because it's too thin display, and if you put wrongly, it might crack easily. That's why you have to be more careful while applying this display on the frame. First of all, put one side in frame and hold the display by your finger. When you think your display is perfectly unsafe or perfectly on the housing, then pull out your finger and leave the display to fit. Its looks display is perfectly fit with the housing and it's working properly. If you have just a screen cracked problem, if your display is properly working, touch is properly working, but the display glass is cracked, then don't worry. In next video I will upload how to replace just cracked touch screen. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. If you think my videos are helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thanks for watching.